Hey guys, this is John Boban. In today's video, we're going to be showing Project Patrol, and we're starting the project. We are going to be using 3UZ, and for the first part, we have already bent aluminum plates. These are 3mm aluminum plate right here, and this is what we're going to be using to build at least a 90-liter fuel cell. That's going to go right here. Underneath, we're also going to put a surge tank, and we are going to be documenting this whole build from A to Z so that you guys can watch and see how it's done. So watch out. So this is the tank. Before I shaved off this area here, she was sitting somewhere at 158 liters. So we took off few material right here. So maybe we might have lost maybe about 5 to 10 liters max. So still it's about 140, at least 130 liter tank. Yeah, more updates on the Patrol 3UZ. Yesterday we were done mocking up the tank. So we're doing an actual fitment before we full weld the tank. So the tank is actually there without the sides.
Tignan mo dyan yung clearance to, kung okay na.
Wala to, ibaba.
Checking for any clearance issues before we have it full welded.
Yan o. Angat mo nga dyan bros. Yan, ganyan dapat. Yan, ganyan.
Okay, so this is what the tank looks like. Gonna tack it up and full weld it in a while. Okay, I'm done full welding the 130 liter tank. I'm not gonna be spotting the other side because I'm still gonna install a fuel neck. So this is a rough finish of what it's gonna look like.